Everyone thinks the big durability debate is between Ford and Toyota, but the real question is this: Isuzu or Toyota? Which one will actually last you longer and drive you further? Now, before I break it down, tell me, if durability was your only priority, which one of these brands would you trust? And if you're Bucky shopping, save this video and follow me for more honest breakdowns in the car world. Now, if you dig into long term ownership forums, fleet reports, and mechanic feedback, one thing becomes clear: both brands last a very, very long time, but for different reasons. Owners of Isuzu D-Maxes constantly praise the engines. Isuzu comes from a commercial truck background, and their diesels are known for being simple, understressed, and built to run huge kilometers. Seeing Isuzus with 400,000 to 600,000 kilometers isn't unusual, especially in work fleets. Now, Toyota owners, especially Toyota Hilux drivers, talk about consistency. The Hilux may not always feel exciting, but it's designed to survive abuse, neglect, and bad conditions. Add Toyota's massive dealer network and easy access to parts, and long-term ownerships just become so much simple. So what's the honest difference? Isuzu often feels like the Bucky that just refuses to mechanically die, and Toyota feels like a Bucky that's easier to keep alive forever. If both are serviced properly, either one can outlast the other. But if you had to keep one past 500,000 kilometers, which one would you be choosing and why? Let me know in the comment section below.